Other semi stocks pressure today in sympathy. NVIDIA, Taiwan Semi, ASML, and Micron among the names down sharply. For more, let's bring in Melius, head of technology research, Ben Reitzes. Ben, great to have you with us. Things changed for you on this earnings report. You downgraded Intel to a hold. So what specifically is it, and have you basically given up on this turnaround story?
Well, it was like a do or die kind of report for them. And they obviously missed it. I mean, in the second half, we have several companies that are doing well and going to do well. So, you know, in terms of the impact on the space, I see a lot of opportunity. I see them giving opportunity to AMD, obviously. And then if there's a sell-off in names like Broadcom and NVIDIA, I think you can take advantage of it. So I think there's a lot of Intel-specific stuff going on. And when you start talking about cutting dividends and, hey, we got the cash flow break even at best, and then they start guiding for an above seasonal 4Q when you haven't hit a quarter in a while. It's tough. You got to step away. And it's settling out around book value, and then we'll have to see if they lose more money.
So when you hear Pat Gelsinger talk about the opportunity in the second half sets up better because of the Gaudi release, and they're going to be able to participate in the AI spend more thoroughly, and that they're building foundries and manufacturing facilities for the future, do you believe him at this point? I mean, he's been in the job for 3.5 years, and it feels like, and I believe that he has given forecasts, many forecasts, that have not come to fruition, and that there's a real credibility issue at this point.
Well, there is. I think the street is shooting first and asking questions later, and I think that there's some long-term targets they have that everybody's just thrown out the window. I mean, you gotta put up a number, and it's been one thing after another, moving production around, a packaging issue. I mean, people are voting with their wallets and saying, the dog ate my homework isn't working, and we got to put up a number. And until they really put up a number, maybe even a string of numbers, then it doesn't get going. But like I said, I see a lot of opportunity elsewhere. There is still a chance that they can turn this around, but the problem with Intel is they're doing so many things at once. They're trying to be fabless and compete with NVIDIA in the data center, and then, put on all these new nodes and all that. And now they've taken government money, and they're probably getting a call from Gina, hey, what's going on with my money? And there's a lot going on there. So, it's always been a complicated story. And when there's a liquidity issue or potential liquidity issues, it just gets more complicated.